The book, titled 2018 to 2020 Pre-Election Matters, the Conflicts, the Issues, and the Judgments at the Court of Appeal, is a 561-page book with real-life court cases, demystifying the meaning of pre-election matters and providing a plethora of legal principles laid down by legal authorities. The book also draws a distinction between pre-election and post-election matters and other issues in pre-election matters, including powers, duties, and orders of the court, preliminary objections, notice of contention, and internal affairs of political parties that are non-justiciable, among other judicial and extrajudicial matters. The author of the book, Mr. Rupert Erikefe, said the book was inspired by the need to help solve the issue of time in delivering judgment, adding that he went round courts of appeal across the country, seeking documents of judgments, which he compiled in the book to make judgments less cumbersome. Mr. Erikefe called on political aspirants not to wait till after election before getting lawyers to prevent avoidable mistakes, while also calling on political parties to ensure all documents of their aspirants were genuine before the primary election, as that would help to reduce election litigations.
A lot of persons were completely caught unawares as to the time frame within which they were to bring their pre-election matters in the 2018 and 2020 season. So there was need to correct that. And then secondly, there was also the need to help judges and lawyers, because doing pre-election matters is very stressful. There was need to provide reading materials that they could use to abridge the time within which they write judgments within that 180 days and all that. That was what motivated me to write the book.
Those who spoke commended the author for his dedication in producing the book and for his rich contributions to the legal society at a period where the electioneering tempo was increasing, adding that the book remained a dependable guide through the forthcoming elections and beyond.
We are here to launch the book, the judgment delivered by all the court of appeal throughout this federation. That shows that he's a very serious person.
The book is a very timely one, I would say, first, because it comes in the wake of the pre-electioneering season, and it's a worthy companion for jurists, for lawyers, for stakeholders in the political arena.
I say well done for his contribution to the legal world, and his wife as well, because without her support he wouldn't have achieved so much.
Everybody will be happy at the end of the day. I mean, if you prepare properly and issues are decided on time, this book provides that information.
So we will help all those going into election, and then it will help them to manage time and then other legal issues towards election.
Litigants can purchase and make this a part of their library, because it will go a long way in assisting them to wade through the electioneering process.
The event, which doubled as the 44th birthday of the author, saw the review of the book by Mr. Ekeme Owovorele SAN, represented by Mrs. Onyinye Moloko, reading of the author's biography by Mrs. Erobo Bagi, a lawyer, and the presentation and formal launch of the book. The author, a constitutional and finance activist with practice of law in areas of property, taxation, finance and financial law, constitutional law, human rights law, pre-election matters, and election petitions, was among the small team of lawyers selected by the United Nations Office of Drug and Crime UNODC with the support of the European Union EU in 2018-2008 to provide pro bono legal services for indigent drug defendants, where he secured reduced sentences for over 25 indigent drug defendants. Eunice Emeyazia reporting.